Nowadays, communication is the key. So what is communication system? Communication system is transmitting a signal and receiving a signal. So if you see what are the basic components of a communication channel or communication system, so one signal is there, one message is there. This is the source which is sending some signal or message. So we are sending this signal, so there should be some transmitter here. So this is your transmitter which is sending the signal, and this signal will be propagated by any communication channel. It is a communication channel, and on the other hand there should be a receiver for receiving this signal, and then it is received at this particular end. So this transmitter, communication channel and this receiver, these three things will make your communication system. Some noise will also be added in this, like communication channel, some noise, distortion, and interference will also be there in this communication channel. So these three are the basic blocks of your communication system. Now there can be two types of communication systems basically. So communication channels can be of two types. One is your guided channel like coaxial cable or optical fiber cable. So that is a guided cable. We have a defined path here. So your signal will be transmitted via your coaxial cable or via your optical fiber or via your simple wires. And other type of communication channel will be unguided, like your signals will be transmitted in space through satellite communication or through ground wave communication or through sky wave communication. So these are all comes under unguided communication channel. So on the basis of this communication channel, we have divided this communication into two types, guided and unguided one. Now there are various, when you are sending signals from one form to another form. Let us say you are sending one signal. So what you have to do, you have to do certain modifications in that signal, because these signals are so weak that they cannot travel over large distance. So what you do some modulation technique at the transmitter end. You modulate your signal, you increases the strength of your signal, then send it over the communication channel. And on receiver end, you again encode that signal, you demodulate that signal so that you can receive the signal properly. So on transmitter end, we are using a modulator, and on receiver end, we are using a demodulator. So these are the basic things. Now let us discuss more about this communication system. So some basic terminologies are there in the communication system. Message is a information. Whatever the information you are sending, that is your message. Then you are having your signal. So signal can be of two types, analog signal and digital signal. So analog signals are continuous waves like this, and digital signals are in form of 1 and 0s. So they are having only two labels, 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is your digital signal. And one is your transducer. What is transducer? Transducer is a device which converts one signal into another signal, one energy form to another energy form. So when we are speaking in microphone, we are converting our sound energy into electrical energy. On receiver end, we are converting in loudspeakers. What is happening in loudspeakers? Your electrical signals are converted into your sound signal. So when one energy form, one signal form is converted to another signal, one signal is converted to another signal. So that is your transducer. And the other term is your transmitter. Transmitter is a device which is transmitting the signal, which is used for transmitting the signal, sending the signals over large distance. and one is your receiver end, which is receiving the signal, and communication channel, the channel through which you are sending your signal, that is your communication channel. And what do you mean by attenuation?